VIN price adjustment on a Huebsch coin drop top load washer with MDC2 control. Verify the machine is plugged in and a power on display is on the LCD board. Verify the coin box is in the meter case or other means of depressing the switch in the rear of the compartment. Open your service door panel. Locate the tubular connection and separate. Reconnect the tubular connection and enter manual mode by simultaneously pressing normal hot and permanent press warm buttons until the rapid advanced display is on the board. Next, use normal warm or delicate cold button to cycle through the selections until you locate program. Press start to enter and locate ATS menu or the VIN price adjustment. Press start again and start once more until the VIN price is displayed. Use the start button to advance to the characters that you wish to change or adjust. We're going to increase the price to $2, for example, by selecting normal 1 to increase the 1 to 2, and advance to the next digit. Decrease the amount to $2. Press start and start again to confirm. You can exit out by pressing the permanent press warm button. And the $2 is our new VIN price.